Hello, today we're looking at yet another Tecsee switch, the Tecsee Ice Milk. There is a linear version, but I only have the tactile version in front of me. If you want to learn more about these switches, you can check the link in the description below. At first glance, when I got these switches, my non-caffeinated brain thought I got boba U4Ts instead because they have almost the exact same colorway. But the Ice Milks are lightly factory lubed and have an unwiped top housing similar to Tecsee Diamonds, a nylon bottom with a slightly extended post, a 13mm UPE stem, and a double-stage 63.5 gram spring. Like before, if you want to use these bottom housings for Franken switches down the line, make sure the top housing doesn't have the two prongs since the leaf is integrated into the bottom housing. Other Tecsee tops will fit this bottom housing, and the top housing can also work on MX style switches as well. First impressions, these have a D-shaped tactility near the top with no pre-travel and quite a bit of post-travel, almost similar to like Kiwi level tactility. These also aren't the smoothest sounding or feeling switch, as there's quite a bit of noticeable scratch and not something that I personally prefer. They're deep sounding for sure, and quite honestly, sound like every other long pole tactile, plus more leaf ping. I'll play a sound test shortly, and you can let me know your thoughts down below. Thanks, and have a good one. Bye.